Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Power BI architecture and different components of Power BI desktop. Coming to Power BI architecture, it is built on several components like data sources, Power BI desktop, Power BI services, and Power BI gateways. Power BI can connect to a variety of data sources including database, cloud services, Excel, and flat files. After connecting data to Power BI desktop, it will undergo some cleaning and transformation before loading into data model. After that, we will build reports and those reports will get published into Power BI services. Power BI services enables users to publish and share the reports into a workspace, and the end user, upon having the required access to that particular workspace, can view those reports. Apart from publishing reports into Power BI services, we can also provide a scheduled data refreshes and also implement row-level securities. Power BI gateways facilitate the secure transfer of data between source dataset and the dataset published into Power BI services. In a simple way, Power BI gateways acts like a bridge between the source data and published dataset, such that reports in the Power BI services will be up to date with the source data. Overall, Power BI's architecture integrates data retrieval, transformation, visualization, and sharing to provide a comprehensive business intelligence solution. Next, we have Power BI desktop components. Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View are the main components of Power BI desktop. Power Query is an inbuilt ETL tool which enables us to load data from different data sources, and also we can perform some cleaning and shaping of the data. Power Pivot is an in-memory data modeling component where we can model the data and also write some DAX calculations. Power View is the component where we transform data present in table form into interactive visuals. Now we are in Power BI desktop application to see where we can find the three different components. First of all, we will go with Power Query editor. We need to click on transform data such that it will navigate us into a Power Query window. Here we can perform different types of transformations listed here upon the data. Next we have Power Pivot. Power Pivot is the combination of table view and model view. In table view we can see the underlying data of the loaded tables like this. And next we have model view. In model view we can provide relationship between the required tables. Next we have Power View, which is also called as report view. Here we will make use of inbuilt as well as custom visuals to convert table format data into interactive visuals as shown here. Next we will discuss the process or steps to be followed to build a report in Power BI desktop application. First of all, with the help of get data, we will bring data from source into the Power BI desktop application, and if any transformations are required, then we will perform those transformations in Power Query editor. After that, we will model the data. Modeling of the data is nothing but providing the required relationship between the tables and also writing some DAX calculations. After that, we will visualize the data in Power BI desktop. Next, we will publish those developed reports into Power BI services. These are the steps followed to build a report in Power BI desktop application. I think by this time you got an idea on Power BI architecture and different BI components. Thank you for watching this video.